Courses in the cement industry. Present to you. To the friends of courses in the cement industry. I hope to subscribe to the membership, so that we can continue to provide useful content. In this course we will detailed explanation from the site. How repair the top seal rotor for air separator. Summary about air separator. Separation as performed by a separator, is the division of a material stream, which has a certain grain size distribution into two separate streams, using air as the carrying medium. One stream should contain mainly fine particles, and the other one only coarse particles. In cement industry, separation is mainly used as a part of closed grinding circuit. The mill grind the material to a certain grain size. The separator takes the mill discharge, which must be evenly distributed inside the separator, and selects the portion that will give the right product quality, and rejected portion is sent back to the mill for regrinding. The commonly used separators can be divided into two groups. 1. The static separators. 2. The dynamic separators. Definition of separation. A simple definition of separation is the division of a given material flow into two separator streams. In the case of ideal size separation, one stream should contain only fine material, product, and the other one only coarse material, tailings. Therefore, the two products should be characterized by certain specific surface and particle size characteristics. The device used for the particle classifying in the cement production, dry grinding, is the air separator. The top seal principle, for air separator. There is a sealing arrangement, between the top and the separator housing, which consists of an external guideway ring, the rotor sealing ring, see point 35. And a top plate with internal guideway ring and the rotor seal, see point 31. To prevent passage of any unseparated grinding material across the rotor to the fines outlet, a rotor seal is fitted across the top of the rotor. The external rotor sealing ring, and the internal ring in the rotor seal, are fitted as guideways in front of and behind the upper part of the rotor, thereby preventing the air stream containing grinding material from reaching the uppermost plate ring of the rotor. We follow together the top seal principle. Any material which nevertheless manages to pass across the uppermost plate ring in the rotor will be rejected by that part of the rotor vanes, which protrude up through the ring, and will be diverted back towards the rotor sealing ring and the guide vanes. Correct positioning of the rotor seal is essential to attain the functional efficiency required to prevent passage of coarse particles to the fine material. The fineness of the finished product can be adjusted by varying the rotor speed. The rotor seal C.31 is fitted on top of the rotor C.14, being protected during transportation by a welded-up frame, which is removed prior to erection. For the largest separators, the rotor and rotor seal are also divided for reasons of transportation. Upper edge of the rotor sealing plate C.31 is 3 mm below the flange on the separator housing C.16. The top seal principle, for air separator. 1. Airflow over rotor, C.1, limited by narrow gaps, C.2. 2. Reduced airflow over rotor top, acted upon by deflector wings, C.3, has little chance of carry coarse material to the fines outlet, C.4. 3. Ballistic curve of coarse material, C.5, otherwise throwing coarse material over rotor, are broken by the chromium carbide protected seal ring, C.6. Thanks for following the channel, Courses in the Cement Industry. And please help us to continue and provide more information, by subscribe to the membership, and inviting your colleagues to watch this channel.